Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the all-new iPhone 13 mini. As it sounds, it looks exactly like an iPhone 13, just a little smaller in size. It is made up of aluminium, and at the back of it there's a glass that's prone to scratches and dust and fingerprints, but nevertheless it looks and feels extremely portable and very chic. This is my review. So speaking of this size firsthand, as a user that's upgrading from iPhone XR, from a screen of 6.1 inches to a screen of 5.4 inches in the mini, this feels extremely portable. Having a phone in today's age that has top-notch features and that is just the size of my hand is almost impossible with phones coming out that literally look like tablets. It is extremely portable and handy, and as a first-time mom, you don't fear your phone falling out of your hands while you're holding your baby on the other hand, or when you're on the go in your car and you have to type in something really quick. So a phone that size of my hand, and I am 5'5", so I can't really measure my hand, but this is how big it looks. Yeah, but it's very portable, and I can literally spend hours and hours talking about the size of this phone. The screen is 60 Hz instead of 120, which is a concern for many people, but trust me, it looks and feels exactly the same, and if you're not somebody who's a lot into techie stuff, you won't even feel the difference. The images are sharp and crisp, and I love how tiny this device is. And the only thing that I don't like, in fact, is that it fits the hands of my 1-year-old as well. Not exactly fit, but this is something that he can easily hold on to and throw it. No, I don't like that. Speaking of camera, 12 megapixel front camera that takes amazing selfies and 4K video, for example. There are two cameras at the back, both wide and ultra-wide lens. One is standard with f1.6 aperture, and the ultra-wide with f2.4 aperture and 110-degree field view. I'm really impressed by the quality of the pictures. They're sharp, crisp, and dynamic. The cinematic mode is an extremely impressive features in the iPhone 13 line, and of course there is some betterment needed in cases of some complex objects, but apart from that, it's very neat with the depth of field and everything. We have the all-new A15 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM instead of 6 as you can see on the Pros, but multitasking is very fluent and it's very fast as you can see. Coming to battery life. Now this is a topic of debate, and I have read so many reviews that how minis fail when it comes to battery life, and I have been using this device for a month now, and of course it varies from person to person, but I am a mom, a student, and a creator, and I use my phone a lot for taking pictures. My son uses it for watching Cocomelon. I use it to snap ideas and watch videos and, you know, jot down ideas for my YouTube videos. I've been using this phone for a month now, and I haven't felt the need to charge this phone midday, except the times when I'm using it a lot. So I don't know about you, but of course it varies from person to person, but as a user that upgraded from iPhone XR all the way to iPhone 13 mini, I do not felt much of a difference. Now, there has been a lot of talk about Mini's batteries and how it absolutely sucked on the iPhone 12 mini. I haven't used iPhone 12 mini myself, but I had friends who were using it and I did hear a lot of complaints. But speaking of iPhone 13 mini and how Apple has worked its magic in an year, Apple claims to have added about an hour and a half of battery life to this year. And honestly, if you're not a very heavy user, you wouldn't feel the need to upgrade from a mini to a pro just for the sake of battery. If you're somebody who is in love with compactness and who is always on the go, trust me, you are going to absolutely love this device. I got this in the green and it's a pretty chic color, and the reason I got it in green is, I'll be honest, I wanted the white one, but those were in back order and I would have to wait till mid-July to get it. So this color is available. It's a very hot color though, but it was available at that point in time. So I just went ahead and bought it, and ever since I bought it, I'm completely in love with the green. So yeah, this is my review. If there are any other things that were missing in this review and you would like to bring that to my notice, please don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you like this video or it provided you any value, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys again next time. Peace.